We have a T5 transmission here, and the complaint on this is that when it's in third gear, not um, accelerating, but when he decels the car, it pops out of gear. So real quick here, you have first gear, reverse straight cut, second, third, and fourth. This ring, this slides back and forth to shift into first or second. This ring slides back and forth to shift into third or fourth. This ring, which also contains the reverse gear, has very little play to it, and very little. It seems to be really, it's got a good positive lock here. This one, when you look at it, it does not have a very positive lock. So right away, we see something here that, warrants further investigation. When a vehicle pops out of gear, especially if it's accelerating or decelerating, we're more apt to think that it's some kind of a thrust that's causing it. When the vehicle accelerates, it gets its power from the engine on the input shaft and twists the gear train or thrusts the gear train in this direction. When the vehicle deaccelerates, when you let your foot off the accelerator, it gets